Beacon Cleaning, we are committed to going above and beyond to meet your home maintenance needs and exceed your expectations. We understand that your home is a reflection of your unique personality, and we're here to help you fully enjoy your living space by enhancing its curb appeal and ensuring its safety. Our comprehensive range of services is designed to revitalize your home, making it look and feel brand new. With Beacon Cleaning, you can have complete peace of mind knowing that our expert care and long-lasting results will surpass your expectations. So how do we achieve stunning and safer homes? Through our specialized services in soft washing, roof cleaning, and paver sealing, we pay meticulous attention to every detail, focusing on the areas that matter most. Soft washing is a gentle yet highly effective technique we employ to clean various surfaces around your property. From home exteriors to pool decks and fences to walkways, we utilize eco-friendly cleansers and low-pressure water to remove dirt, grime, and contaminants without causing any damage. Our goal is to rejuvenate your surfaces, leaving them looking fresh and vibrant. Roof cleaning is not just about aesthetics. It's also crucial for maintaining the integrity of your home. Our skilled team utilizes advanced tools and techniques to expertly clean your roof, removing debris, stains, mold, and mildew. We understand the importance of a clean and well-maintained roof in protecting your home from potential damage. Rest assured, your roof will shine brightly, safeguarding your property for years to come. Additionally, we offer paver sealing services to enhance both the beauty and longevity of your outdoor surfaces. Regular maintenance is essential to prevent hazards caused by dirty pavers, such as slips and falls. Our team specializes in sealing pavers, providing added durability and protection against wear and tear. Say goodbye to unsightly pavers and hello to a beautiful, safer outdoor space. At Beacon Cleaning, your home safety is our top priority. We are dedicated to restoring the charm of your property with utmost professionalism and care. With over 15 years of experience in the industry, we have proudly served and cleaned over 35,000 homes, establishing ourselves as trusted experts in exterior cleaning services. Don't wait any longer to give your home the attention it deserves. Contact Beacon Cleaning today at 321-507-4851. Let our expertise and unwavering dedication help you maintain a clean and impressive environment for your family. Beacon Cleaning. Count on us to make your home shine.